Was good evening. Wetin bring me call now because of my brother when you senior me Osaze. By the time of NSAS protest, na gon take meet am for where for the work before Uyosa as they work. And this my brother now still did not they talk well. Now holding everybody know how the my brother not get time now na him own they do. So the gun meet am for chest soldier na he shoot am then. And this my brother na work e dey o. Na they come we come rush am for midnight. They go different hospital. They come dey reject am. We come go UBTH. As we reach UBTH for that midnight, before they come they not even want to even look look check my brother. We say before after everything they come they say okay may enter bed. They come be start to the treat am. We spend 8 months for there ever since before we come reach us. Even because of this matter, I can still lost my own father. When still they follow us, when still they carry the house they go. Me now, I be common bus driver, now bus I dey drive. Now I can still they take care of my mama, my brother. See them here, see them here. Now they there so see my mother, see my brother. Now the gun as a meter for chest, he can't come out for back. So my brother now, you know they even they sit down talk like say you want waka. Now spinal cord now go break. Ever since many years now they ground. Mama when see they go market, you know if you go market again. She dey here, she never dey see work. Even last 2 weeks here now, we still lost my senior brother. Everything your day down, I beg, we need help.
We not to hear you again, no. Power tap, guys, and share the live stream. Power tap, power tap, power tap. We not to hear you again, no. Equipment data. I better bring them back. This matter is a very delicate issue. When they observe me, they were. Na power tap, wanna share. I bet this you wanna. Did you see you wanna?
Never send request, pa.
Me you send request now. Hello.
Now, Baba. Allahu.
Power tap, my people.
Allahu, Baba. Allahu.
You know, this is my platform, a very big platform.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Double.
Where are they?
You didn't want us, sir.
Yeah, we'll bring her come up. Bring her come up.
They drop you so slow.
The drop is in.
They not work here.
I never send request. You never send request.
What you talk? I didn't hear you, princess.
My network they disconnect, they connect. If I enter like the thing go just reverse back again. And the phone they hot.
Send me the request. Send me the account. May I send that for my PA?
Hello,
Okay.
my two boys.
Okay, man, send am for WhatsApp or masala.
Send that for my WhatsApp, me I forward that for my
I
PA.
said the question now. What we are a network on here?
Okay, sir.
You say you trust the woman, Abi? All right.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, the lady Ehimwenma, how you dey?
Why we film moto or say I met him on a video?
Why you not look for where you want for park?
Okay, I don't already say my time for where I did, so I need to dey go house.
All right, good talk, man. Good talk.
So the person there, yeah,
Yes, you be there just now,
when they out here,
but it don still comot. The GCO, yeah, go where the if GCO dey. You mean the boy wey come here just now?
not the year.
GCO boy. Hello. Where dey? Where? Okay, say me you accept. Say me you accept. Yeah, GCO. Then you go where internet for good. My lady, remember
Hello, Domo. Ochune.
where's it?
Domo, sir.
So, which help you want from us now?
So we need help.
Okay, for your mom or be your brother.
For my brother and my mom, we need help well, sir. We dey suffer as I dey talk to you now. We need help badly. Now you be my last hope when I get now. That's why I dey tell you, sir. I beg. Now later I dey here, so we need help. I beg.
stand
Look
up.
my mom. Look my mom. Look everybody. Now help we need. I beg. Now you be my last hope.
Relax. Hello.
Yeah, me sir. Sir?
Talk now. How you tell me this person?
I want me I did video so that I go see me may for no say na me. Me don't stop and not go.
I dey see you now.
Brother. You say what you say? You say you give me money.
If your network no bad no.
Yeah, wait.
You say you give me money. Say you give me how much? Say me I put you for my platform. So but I no get there yet. As you take judge and start because now you judge so that if you be say anything there where be say you not talk well, I go feel counter you.
So then when I want do video, as I reach where you dey, you tell me say my bring 50,000 naira. May you take do video for me.
Okay.
Which means I really pay. Okay. Now you
what you say me do video for?
For my brother when not well, we gonna meet for shares, come out for back when he break his spinal cord. Say here.
Okay.
So I can't really give her 50,000 naira. He can't put me he can't put my brother for the video. As he put my brother for the video finish, I can't put my brother our account for the video. So they can't pay money. As they pay money, he get where he can't reach. I can't say, madam, this video I want repost time again. He say me go can't give her 150,000 naira before he repost time. Meanwhile, she dey see say sometimes I dey post am for Facebook. She can't just totally go delete that video, come off on live for me. Me not fit post time again, I not fit see her again. Now I can say, how much you say make I can't give? You say make I can't give her 150. He can't say, okay, if I can't say I not get that 150. Oh, how much you feel help me reach now? Whether I can say whether 100,000 last. From there, my brother can't still die. And I knew still lost my father then. Now so we can't take the ever since. For one problem to another, now so we can't take the I not can't find money can go give and say may post me again. So
okay. You don't true. No game. Now this boy can't call me through my platform. He call me. He say he want bring his brother come and say they shoot him during whether na NSAS. All right. You bros, you don't ever see me face to face.
Whether I don't ever see you face to face.
Yes, as he face Charlie like for grand.
I don't understand. Not be you do and whether I
You
don't
don't
see
see
you
me face to face as he face Charlie personally as we dey see now for phone. You don't see me for grand in person. Me, I come on our house. So as he come.
Not be person when you are in the work.
Yeah,
Or when you work for you, not be you second that boy. Now one boy, the boy when they
wait now, you don't already answer. You say you not be me now. Person where they work follow me now. Second, good. Now
that one that just yes or no. You need to answer.
Yes, you don't already answer me. Now when you call me, now tell her say. Yeah, now if you come your place. Now say for me to post your video, you go pay. Now I come first and say, wait till be your brother condition. He can't explain. He explain everything finish. Now say okay, no wala. I know if you come. You understand? Now say I will send person where if they want my team come, they'll come record you, they'll put on for platform. Even if it there or if it pause, may I continue with my talk. Now say they'll put on for my platform. You put your account number. Now even your wife account number now you bring. Make them put. So now say for them to come over, I will give them motor, they'll buy fuel. Now say normally, if maybe na advert I want do, I know how I will take charge you for advert. Now say because of your brother condition, you go bring money where they'll take buy fuel, where they take come there. He say he not get. He say what he get now 50,000. At the end of the day, the point of correction, you brought 40,000 naira. That money I have in out here, but it didn't even enter my hand. Now my team might give the money, may they take buy for a con on a place, may they take run logistics. They can post the video. When they post the video finish, I can't they ask you say people even they respond to your brother condition, the way where you take talk, he say no. You understand? Now say why now? He say people not they answer his brother people not they answer his brother I not post the video. Now say no, I post the video. People they tell me say then they send you money, they'll send me receipt. You understand? Now say why be say you not they talk truth? He said no. He said no. They not they send her money. Now it's okay. In total,
they can't go for
now say after like 3 months, now say in total, why I can't ask her? One boy, one lady can't call me. He said whether the boy na real. He said whether this boy na real. Now say yes. Now say his brother get issue. Now say whether you not see and say his brother they grant. You understand? He say okay. He say he send her money. Actually, my phone. Oh, I don't know whether I'll see that on my chat. He say he want to send her 300,000. He say if he send her, he go send me the receipt. Now say okay. As the woman send the money to this guy, now I can't call her immediately. Now say did somebody send you money? Now say I they ask you since whether they send you money, they'll send me receipt. You say no. Meaning the thing when they do when you can't say you want to for my platform, whether I want to help you. Meaning do not get the help now. Now say as they help you, you go talk. Whether they ask, you will come back and do another video so that you go to appreciate people where they help you. Now say that's what you supposed to do. You go appreciate people where they help you. If somebody they assist you, if they do something for you, that person needs thank you from you. You understand? Now say if you know they appreciate her, meaning the thing why you do you know they work now. Why you always call me say you want to do another video, you want to do another video, and people where don't they help you since then they send the screenshot of waiting they give you to me. You know they appreciate them, and you want to do another video. Now say no. Now say what you go do? You will go all the payments they don't pay for you. Go calculate and make you tell me. He say okay. As I tell her, he not call me again. He can rest. Now say I they wait for you. If you don't do and finish, let me know. He say okay. I can't call her. He not come pick. When his papa can't die, he can't call me. When he call me, he can't tell me say if papa don't die, oh, now say, I really, he say yes, now say, yeah, sorry, oh, he say yes, say he want to do another video that he not get money. Now only they take care of him brother, now only they take care of him mama, everything there he had. Now say, okay, so what you come do? He said he want to do another video. Now say, okay, you know, people where don't help you when you not come out to contact, say, una help me, oh, what you not do for my brother? I see him. God will bless you. Una do well. Now say no. So you want come back again? Can't do another video for my platform. You think say my platform na charity organization? Now I can ask her. He said no. Not be like that, Sister Egui. Now say no. Since you not come appreciate those people, I'm not gonna do another video for you. And if you want make I do another video for you, you go pay me 150,000. He say he not get. Now say okay, no wahala. Now cut the call. Small time he say as if he say no do the video. As I see, I say he don't talk like that. Now go delete the video. Immediately I delete the video. He just call him boss. He can't start. He say he call the records. Now so me go delete the video for my platform. Why me go delete the video for my platform? Now say my brother, that platform not be you build that. Since you say the video never help you, and the video never give you the help when you want, and you not even come appreciate people when they help you, and they bring people come out from my platform, even if na 2 naira they give them, now they by themselves go come my platform, come they say, mama beg, I want to appreciate people where help me, oh, this multi way they give me, I want to tell them thank you, because up when they say, oh, when I win obey, what you no want to appreciate it, oh my baby, I'm help you understand? That can't tell like that. Now you can't say okay, and no wahala. Since me do like that, he'll go report me to Re-Upper Pikin. I don't want to mention name. Say he go report me to social media people. You understand? May they bring me come out. May tell them say me no want happy brother. I me take collect money for in hand. Now say point of correction. I not be woman 40,000. The motor one they drive, it dey over 2.5 million. It dey close to 6 million. You understand? Now say so. You not get anybody where you go tell my matter to. Where you go tell you say with that thing not true about me. I get good reputation. You understand? Now I can't tell her. He can't they talk. He can't they raise insults. I think I even blocked him. So I not gonna accept that one. I just can't bone her. I can't they wait for us. He's there. Make the people where you know for the social media, the people where can't they mention for Bini. Make it tell me say, see this boy can't report them to me. They can't report me to them. You understand? Before you can't call me today. You they get me so before you can't call me. So you can't say because you send me the picture.
Not vessel. I want to ask one question. When I don't do that video, after he pay you that 40,000, now your account una put your account.
Your wife no account number. Now he did the video. You talk on just now.
Your wife account number na put. Okay, how much? How much they give you when you post on for social media? You go anywhere.
Okay.
How much they give you? How much they give you when you post on for social media?
For social media at that time.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Ego ni me so far, but to kona ba wa ba mo gesa.
Bro, say but how much you talk? Leave all those ones.
Okay. Money when I see, sir. Money when I see, so far, now 1 something.
1
120,000.
120,000.
Yes.
Okay. Which 56,000? You can't tell me say she still give you us now when me and you talk this afternoon.
56,000.
Yes, you tell me this afternoon say give you 56,000.
It dey inside the money.
Okay.
Hello.
It dey inside the money. You can't make 100 and something thousand.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wetin come bring problem between una? He now come talk say he no hear from you again. How much you don't see? When he come ask you that word, say how much you don't see. Wetin you come ask am? Where you when here?
Oh no, how much? Really happen. They don't know how much I can see. It time man, I know where again. We bury again. Me wa jesa. Umami wa bamo ge bang we 300,000. Wa damn me osa because I know one wa pa bonye. Umami wa fi boy na wa idam me bi anota. Eme no kuna wa ta lo si many things not turn outside. Okay,
If I lie against you,
I'm sending 300,000.
Mama, do you still have the receipt? Can you remember the person that went
May bring the receipt.
Yes,
thank you.
Do you still have the receipt?
When this issue of this boy happened, I wish I still have the video inside my Facebook. I for remember.
Thank you.
And I've even changed like 2 phones. You understand? I dey use 4 phones for you. I've changed my phone, and I'm not even get this boy number again. Now I not even send this boy picture to me. Now they recognize and say this boy. I know him.
When you mention your name to me, don't tell us it's my friend. Now, I'll tell you, they listen to my sister Ehimwenma, they listen. This issue will be like this, so now let me come be like this. Now you compromise everything that happened. We come make the tea cause
Yeah,
I will tell you why he compromise am. Number one, when this guy come with you for money, you tax am for money, she may give you 50,000.
Okay.
He can't come with 40,000.
No, and not get see I say make he bring his brother come my place. I not go fit go their place. That's why I not even go. I say person go. I say bring your. He say brother don't.
Nah, let her talk. Let her talk.
This year, may you wait, Epa. May you wait.
You understand? I don't fit come on a place.
Epa, be one ask Mama one question.
Wait. You can't pay the 40,000 to your crew members. When I take carry the video, come out there for social media.
I can't go there. They can't go meet them for us.
Yes. Now there's so now everything for spoil. Because if this guy see 10 million for your head, this guy get out to tell you say 100,000 that I see. You know
no,
why?
Not get Baba no see. You know why? No, why they vex for this boy? He not get spirit of appreciating. Mona see help and Mona wait. You say he not get spirit of appreciating.
No, see. This is what you said with your own mouth. Now we take the judge you so saying he pay 40,000 to your crew members because where he dey, you not fit go there. So you have to pay for you people to go and do the video. I understand you. Again, we don't need to collect money from her. If I was what they are paying, I don't know for calling they are paying. You know why? You collecting money from me alone.
You see they get it wrong. Nobody ask her for money. If I dey ask her say whether I don't see anything, make go appreciate person. He go say no. He no want come appreciate them. If they want,
yes, because you know why. You know why they appreciate.
If you don't see anything inside, why you not rest? Why you
before Epa not best. Epa, we need to know one thing first. Mama Ehimwenma, I bet 1 minute. Mama Ehimwenma, you dey into charity foundation or you be just social media presenter where they collect money for advert? Are you into charity organization? You understand? People need to understand that part first. Like you dey into charity or you just they like give platform to people like for advert for something.
My sister, I dey into charity organization. I get my own foundation. All right.
Okay.
I get my own foundation. When I say they help people, I register my foundation. I registered on last year.
Okay.
Now I get people when they under my foundation. This boy not they under my foundation. He come say in brother get issue. Say he want me to bring her come out. Due to the way they talk. Now I tell her say you go bring your brother come our place. Make them put her for my platform so that people will help you. Now I can't know but they will put.
See where matter for change now. I understand that money. Oh. If you don't understand, me understand that money.
Me I understand the money for logistics.
That money in form of transportation.
Yes.
Not me one record that consider they pay money where I want to carry people go to record that.
You know where if I can't get that wrong, and I not go blame her. The reason why I not going to appreciate you or the people that donated was because you don't already get that thinking faculty saying he pay you. For a year now, if person come for help before. If na 5 million naira we raise, we'll give out the money. We'll not take 1 naira before. But I can't get where it reach. Well, finally they do this. My foundation when they do so, we can't share the money into two. Even that into two, say not be We never even donate for person who share at 50-50. We dey give them the biggest part, but we go still collect some put. Same we can't tax them. No.
And okay, you know why I tell this boy, wait. This boy so
just in case
but me not believe saying 150,000 that man see that
God go bless you. See, this boy, wait, not get one glass in there. Wait, you know what? The attitude is very wrong. He said, a video ni wa degbe poster that come where eseni where do me ama win another gbe where mommy emi ropa. Okay,
because if now 150,000 this man see, he not go want to video again.
This guy 20,000.
See what did they tell me?
This guy 20,000 because you pay there. This guy already get for them.
You know they understand. It not concern me even if you see 1 million. For you to come back to come and talk say 1 million. Nah, not
you know understand. Remember, you don't understand me, my lady. This guy already get up for me and say, he pay you to help her, so he don't need to call tell you thank you.
Not be me.
That is sticky.
Not be me help her.
No.
Because you pay with 40,000 and here we go. See, sick mother did there just now. The brother did there just now. Me go tell her say, give me 100,000. If they give me that 100,000 for back, me go tell my pants, me we help her. If this guy collects 6 million, he not go tell me thank you. You know why? Because you pay and I'm here to tell me thank you. You will be like say, take 40,000 to collect 500,000. That's it. Now him who supposed to blame. That the blame now will come to you. Because you have a good you go, and you now you be foundation person. You need to set up a foundation. I'm not saying your foundation never big. Now last year you register them, but try as much as possible to have the equipment that you need to do it, and try me to put your foundation account and be sincere to your lovers.
Make me put your account so that you know to say na me collecting money. You understand me?
You know what they do here. My fans when they watch me, so they know how much our foundation account. Not be beans. If you dey transparent to your fans, people will love you and value your integrity. But with the way this guy be so now, if they fit in and use me offend that, even if this guy 10 million, always 50,000 a year, and nobody go blame her because over there go 40,000 because of fuel. You know, think they do foundation. Then make her crack on. I see crack on. When I'm here, okay. Now so that they do okay, no problem. Any money come, better no go now. And I'm waiting to do it. I not tell you. All the people who don't help for you, every day they take us. Because I never go back once. I go collect 10,000 or 5,000. I don't do it. Even if I call the do 50-50. The mentality of here is that he don't pay you 40,000. He don't know what 40,000 mean. If not for transportation, not transportation. In your mind, as far as say alert, don't the entire phone. Now, he don't use for. He be like person go play Baba Jebu. Now what thing you go do? Put 40,000 to collect 1 million. Hey you. So now, for us to blame this boy, now we don't feel blame him again. If this guy still 50,000 naira, now nobody go blame her because he ain't paying well. I want to give you something, my sister. I don't say you didn't enjoy it, not easy. Next time, when you want to help someone, help them with everything in you. Take a video of the transport, video them. If they go, if they're really there, they call them, video them. Okay, so you tell me that I have 3 years from the combo. The foundation account will happen to any amount come outside and 50-50. You agree? Say you agree. If you don't agree, say go pay. That would have been best for you. But saying that carry 40,000 a crew member when a mentality already the never can you pay yo. So any amount we see, he had one everything well. That is the reason why people have this clash. If there was no 40,000, this guy for don't bridge and dance since. Because if you can do it to you, he can do it to me. But now, we don't feel bridge and dance because where I'm marrying also know.
Well, if I still get photo.
Yeah, we not get photo.
He gets it, pa.
You know why he not get fault? No, he
He
not
get
get fault.
because he's not being truthful the money he received.
Yeah, oh, I can't be truthful for 40. You know the years a person, bro, not wearing. Mama
Epa,
not
wait till
wearing.
they try. Epa, wait till
Okay,
they try
wait.
to talk.
Okay, wait first. You say okay, so he not that truthful. Say the boy no, he not get any blame for not being truthful. Even when the money they can not be say they want follow a dragger. May come appreciate people when give you brother money. They don't say the money reach their hand.
Oh, hey, remember, you never see understand me be say, hey man, now get the, you don't, I want to explain this thing. No.
Having the mentality not be my problem. Him appreciate me, now be my problem. Now he make me not actually post him again.
Well,
Now
the same thing, so when you want, when not
put the guy on my platform. He don't even get better manner. He don't get better words for maths. He dey rude in talking. Everything about her is wrong. Now he make me not even carry and put on my platform.
You know why? You know why? Because he don't pay 40,000. The only problem is, you know, because that's what mommy 40,000. My sister, with the evidence of proof we for bring, we for tell this guy may go down. That's the simple truth.
Epa.
Now, you have to test it when you 40,000 when because of say, may your crew go to cover the video evidence. That's why they ask us now whether he don't see you real life. You understand the way? For a man, he don't give you 40K. If he's saying so that they do one. So any money when he can't get, he married it the end of time we will say because he pay money join the money when you can't take it back. So appreciating you because they are down.
Me not even need the appreciation. Now people where he carry, where he give him, I don't need the appreciation.
In case of next time, we they learn every day, my lady. Only one thing I want beg you to say. In case of next time, use all your money. As far as say you volunteer to be, say you want to do humanitarian, use all your money for the expenses. Put your account for there as a foundation. Be transparent to your lovers and fans and they watch you.
No vex. You know why that account thing? I can't stop him. You know, say he gets a lot of people when I don't bring come out for my platform. People will say they're not gonna help them. Because these people actually not help them need, not make them come. They're not gonna help them if their account number not there. Some people will come meet me say, I beg, now their account number they need.
Hey, remember, when I started mine here, now so it be, now so they still kick against them. But today, all my fans are proud of it. They are proud of me because we know how much we get for accounts. I don't know about other humanitarian, but my fans know how much we get for our account. You understand? That's why when cases we not too rich come, they'll tell me say, "Pa, we know donate for this one. We take from the foundation account. Maybe give them can get money for foundation account. If he pay you 150,000." You for report the video again.
I forgot post that boy. No, that boy is too short. Now me they tell you that this boy character. I for not post that boy. I just tell her so that boy will take come. I for not post him. He's so saucy. Una see so saucy and he's not even truthful. He's never truthful. Any money where they give this boy. Now this boy they chop and he and wife. He get what he and me. I they tell you that boy. He did very good. That boy. Now bus driver now from Upper Hotel.
Let's talk.
All right, my lady. Thank you so much, my lady Ehimwenma. God bless you. Good work. And I pray more grace on you. More grace. More grace.
Epa, I think we talk something.
Light not there.
Yes.
Okay. Epa, for me, two of them get fault. You know why I tell you say two of them get fault? You know, we always say people have the way they handle their foundation. She know they do social media foundation. She they do face-to-face foundation, of which she said he has to pay for logistics. The last time I went to arrest somebody, I paid for logistics.
Oh,
No verse. Epa, I just quit land that bed.
Wait now, before you continue, me now, I can bet, say this young man here doesn't know what is logistics.
Exactly.
Epa, they know. Epa, you know. Epa, you know. Epa, now you the reason I say no.
Wait,
Epa, you know. Epa.
My advice to una, if una want help them, una make sure say una send person to monitor them. This boy, not be person where they put phones for your hand. Now that one I be the only advice.
Epa, if you let me land. Epa, if you let me land. Mama Ehimwenma, bear no verse. Epa,
now you go put everything.
Mama Ehimwenma,
because
bear no
this boy
verse.
don't get. That brother supposed not get okay.
Mama wait now, Mama wait. Mama wait. Epa, bear me quick talk something. Mama, Mama, Epa, me quick talk something. Epa, no verse. See, majority of Epa, no verse. Majority of people don't understand something. Everybody has their way they do their things. Epa, they do things gratis for free. You come here, you talk your problem, we understand your problem, we come through for you, we keep some in our foundation account. But she did Nigeria, according to her, the way, I don't know if it started with the GCO, Mama, na so they do it with other people, we don't know. So if you are doing it with other people, say you must pay for logistics or wherever you are is far. You understand me, so Epa? Now, that one I fought for collecting money for logistics. Now, it can't bring me back to this GCO. Sorry to say, Mona not cut me wrong. GCO still get ungrateful character with her. What you make me talk? If I not vessel.
You know what I said? A lie.
Daddy, let me
talk. So I met somebody else for talk. Yeah.
If I my your school land. If I my your school land.
No, we keep talking first.
Baba, no wait now. Baba,
wait, see, I don't want to judge person.
No, I don't want judge. I don't want judge.
That's what you are doing.
Alright, no very sorry. I'll keep me on. Sorry.
Okay, please let me talk. Let me talk because at least you're not the house person. You don't talk, but I want to talk to this lady respectfully. See, I concur with Enoge and I see everything. I will tell you, madam, the meaning of foundation and charity. It means you are the giver. People are benefiting from you.
God bless you. Thank you.
Nothing monetary involved. Even if this guy would have been grateful or not, according to him, he has paid for your services. That 40,000 is what is taking all the respect and the gratitude he could have given you.
Counselor, you need to know she has workers, not be she go.
Oh, she said she
not be she go. Why would they keep emotions aside? She said she get worker, not be she go.
Do you know how things would have gone different ways if after donating, you didn't take a dime from this guy, right? After this guy received funds and donations, it would have come from the guy's heart to say, Madam, thank you, happy let me not give you from me. Because no, don't interrupt me. Maybe you should change that name foundation. I'm telling you, because foundation is misrepresenting. Nobody pays for charity. Nobody pays for foundation. So try and change the name. Let it be something else. Because when you say foundation, people are coming to get from you.
Ma, you are still judging Ehimwenma TV because when I was talking just a person I judge the man.
Ehimwenma should be judged here.
That is wrong. She is at wrong.
Okay.
Ehimwenma,
you not let me talk, but you allow Mama talk. If you know you not let me talk finish about your style, but you not let me talk. You not let me land. I don't have anything to say again. If you don't let me talk finish, you cut me short, say they judge.
You know what? No, I'm not short you. Wait first. Ehimwenma na person I know. You don't think ask her today yet. I don't ever do a lot of things before. When Facebook be Facebook. Now my friend, I don't know this guy before they call this thing out. When Ehimwenma explained to me today, I was dealing with this guy.
Of which I told her taking the 40,000 naira is already wrong. But that does not mean GCO is right in everything he's doing, Epa. No.
Yeah, okay. Now why you the best?
Both of them are wrong. Both of them are wrong.
Everybody mute. Why you the best for Enoge's daughter?
Why the best for Enoge's daughter?
Why you the best for Enoge's daughter? Why we straight?
Epa really? Epa really? Epa Enoge really?
The best for her because of the insult that because of this girl they give you. Not be making the best for her.
Epa really?
Yes. That is the reason why you are angry with her. The trauma to your innocent picky, the trauma give you because of her. That is the reason we make you the verse for her. So if you feel verse for her because of say the trauma give you, the trauma give me, then this guy get right to personalize all those money without saying thank you.
I was even coming to him too. No, I was even also coming to him like a conversation. But the thing be saying that initial gratitude has been sold for 40,000. No more saving rock bar. Who is asking for that problem? That's what we're coming. And I was even coming to him like, no matter what, these are people's hard-earned money. This is a platform. Normally, even if I didn't ask you for anything, at the end of the day, gratitude, I will say, Sister Lao, manager now, West, so yes, they are both at wrong. But if I have to grade the wrong, Ehimwenma get 80, this guy get 20. You sold that for 40,000. Here is Sakere Orian. This is what happened here now.
Madam, I don't look like 40,000 woman.
But madam, but the money is already involved. No, well, no, this is not personal now. It's already involved. You don't look like 40, but he gave you 40 at the end of the day.
For what?
He also gets his own because people are
for what
people are working for this money that he could have been grateful.
I don't true with the thing. I get it.
Foundation.
My lady, I can't say that wait. My lady Ehimwenma, it's not easy to open a foundation in Edo State because I know say government for them not the try. They all the shout Edo is shining. Edo is shining. Edo is shining. Edo is shining. Edo not shine anything. You when you put foundation for Benin, people don't already get the thinking faculty saying you want help. If they come for you, you go help them.
A giver.
Without asking,
exactly,
without
a giver.
asking for something, without asking for anything in return. That 40K where this guy pay, now he make her come get the mind not to come there appreciative to you.
Exactly. That name foundation means
If not be that 40,000, if not be that 40,000, this guy not getting what tell me.
Like, well, we wouldn't have been here because we have been on.
He don't go there yet. He don't know whether that una use her for transport fare. If he say you tax her the money, make the tax spend that more money. That is it. The guy was not ungrateful because why? In mentality organ you pay when he. That's the truth.
That's just it. It's okay. It's very complicated, but I rest my case.
So what is going to happen now is that my lady Ehimwenma, I promise to also support your foundation. Sometimes when you see some critical issues that you cannot handle, feel free to reach out to me. If there's any way we can still be of help, we will help you. But please don't collect money from anybody again to prevent this kind of thing from happening.
And okay, if they say collect money, you know, say all this video one that they do now, people will carry another, will cut them. I tell them,
you not collect money because of the money where you want to take help. You collect the money for transport.
Wait, I tell me I say, you know, say when what don't pass another place, you go come burn. You understand? And social media is a large place that people will come and say things and they don't know the beginning, at the ending they will know. You understand? So somebody want to collect money from somebody, not be 40,000 naira, not be a person want to collect from person. All right. Somebody of my caliber, no, if you collect 40,000, say, now be the money you want to collect, now be, you not come see what you want to do now. All right. Between me and God and the Benin land where I did, so I didn't even touch that money. People when go, this boy has go record that. Now then use and take transport, do what they want to do. Are you getting me? So saying he gave me money, that one I not too like that language, all right? I not too like him, and I not okay with him. So so now I be waiting I want correct. He didn't give me money. He paid that they should use it as logistic to come to their house because he said he cannot carry his brother to my office, that his brother not the worker. Now say if I get many people for my, because now step by step, I am Okonya Kosi. There are a lot of people because of the way he was requesting, was calling. And I'm okay, since you cannot wait for me to have the time to come to your place, you have to pay my crew to come and do the video for you so that I can post it. You understand? So that's what happened.
It's okay, my lady. The
So
thing have already been done. Now, no problem. Imagine you have been when my eti, I not get any bad thing against you for my men. You know my sister for now. You understand? All right. We'll see. Now, before we proceed, yeah, oh, you know get daughter there. You know get daughter.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
You
Good
don't
evening,
send me
everyone.
the account. You don't send
Yes,
me the
sir.
account.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me send it to you now. Yeah, I beg transfer the 1 million naira. Normally, now 100K remain, but I mean, me they add 100,000 right now because of the hardship, because of the stress we just get passed through.
Okay.
So transfer 1 million naira to her. May I send you the account? Princess, did you trust this lady?
Yes, it's here.
Okay.
No, mommy, therefore. He's here
You are
with
not
his
going
family,
to
his children, with his husband.
you are not going to have any payment because this girl is suffering. The background of this lady is uh, is a lot. I don't know. I don't know how to say it. I dey see comment. I'm not just one. I don't apologize to my PA for. Apologize for what? I beg. Apologies for what?
It's
What did I do?
okay. No get why you at. Let me talk to GCO. Mr. GCO.
What did I
You
do?
know one thing, Mr. GCO. We all scolded.
I beg. One not verse. One not verse. Counselor, wait.
Yeah.
Inoge's daughter was here calling Ian O. Ian no talk. I'm going to ask Ian O. Ian, how far? Ian say the verse. Ian no even met her. Did I tell Ian to apologize to her? So please, let's not complicate issues for ourselves. Everybody is right in their own way. Okay, please.
You know,
Everybody is right
I want to talk to
in
GCO.
their
Let
own
me
way.
go down.
If I offend anyone, I will apologize. But I don't offend anybody.
Mr. GCO, though we are say or we now way, you need to understand. Not because you are in Oge's platform now, you also have to feel the other person was not helpful. Every cent you get in this life, there are people hard earned money. So you also need to be appreciated.
Exactly. Exactly.
But you need to have a heart of gratitude. We all took your side here, but to an
Princess.
in case of next time, sir, have a heart of
Princess.
10,000 way a minute.
Yes, sir.
Grateful.
Check your accounts. Check your accounts.
If you are able to turn
I've
against
seen
her,
the message now on WhatsApp. I no fit comot for the life now, sir. I've seen it. I want to say something, please.
Okay.
I want to say thank you, everyone. I know, but I don't want to call name, but please, ma, don't be offended, and God will bless you. Amen. No matter anyhow, but just find in your heart to forgive me, please. God will bless you, and all your fan epa, God will bless all of them. Amen. God will reward them. Amen. God, before they will ask, God will even like give it up to them. Please, God will bless all of you. Amen. And God will bless you, epa. Amen. God will bless your family. Amen. God will bless your children. Amen. God will reward them. Amen. God will give them knowledge. I know I don't know how to speak English very well, but you don't know what you did to me. Why I was doing all that, because you don't know how my mind been there just to reach house. But God will bless all of you. I really appreciate for everything. And my mom, she is also really appreciate. And you, sir. God will bless you. Amen. Amen. God will bless all of you in Jesus' name. Thank you very much. I've seen it. Daddy boy, wait first. I beg. Wait.
All right, you can go.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you. And I also appreciate I will still message him on WhatsApp. The man that also helped me, that man, for all the way from Lagos, everything. I really just want to use this one and thank him for everything. God will bless him and his family in Jesus' name. Amen. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. All right. Now we'll do this one finish now. Now the case of this guy now will get command. My brother, your case will come get command. I no lie because of wetin just happen. No say me, I did this straightforward where you, I know you paid to that woman. But now, your case will come get command. From fans, we want to help you. From fans, we want to help you. Please, can we just stop this IAO apologies, please? I beg. Let's concentrate on what we are doing. IAO is like a younger sister to me. And if I offend IAO, I do not need anyone to tell me to say sorry. Everybody knows me that no matter who I be, I easily admit to my errors. But now, your fate will not be what my fans is going to decide here and now. So, how many of you want us to help this guy now with the conditions?
Can I speak in again?
Yes.
Postpone this thing. It's not gonna work today. Postpone it. Some other time. Let me come back.
Even say not work today.
Yeah.
You work 500. If you not work today, no, if you work 500 years to come.
Exactly. For now, everybody's tense. For now, we can't handle this. For now, we cannot handle this. For now, we can't. That's it. There's so much.
You see what I said? When I was saying it just now, people were saying why. I know because you don't already compromise everything. You be not wrong, go. Because you were thinking say that 40,000, you pay them, me to help you. But people will come the dapt one kind. People will not be dapting you. You understand? So what will go happen? I will I don't know what to do. But probably maybe when you come some other time, maybe we will conclude on what to do. But for your mom, what did they really did happen to your mom? I beg, I will bring people up. I beg. Bring people up. Maybe they can still deliberate on their issue about this guy. For like five people. Just let this place full. Let this place full, I beg. Let's see what we can be able to do. Not be only cancel be our fans. So let's hear from other people. Cute lady.
Good evening. Good evening, everybody.
Yeah.
Good evening, ANO. Epa, this is my first time coming up your platform. Epa, I would just wanted to suggest something because yes, there's a comment with what the lady said. So what I would like to suggest is, I don't know if we have people on ground in Nigeria, if they can actually go to this guy's house, because I think our intention is to help the guy, the brother and the mother, not him per se, because he's working. And I'm just taking from what the other lady said. She said that he cannot be trusted, that the money would just be in his wife's account. And he said he collected the money through his wife's account. Now, in order for us not to make the same mistake again, I think we should send somebody there so they can take the brother to the hospital and see what we can do for the mother as well, instead of the money going directly to his account or his wife's account. That's just my opinion, sir.
That's a very brilliant idea from you, cute lady. God bless you.
Cute lady.
How many of you succumb to this idea? How many of you now support with the cute lady? Cute lady be talk. Okay.
Which Lady B? Thank you so much. Lady B,
Yes, darling.
it's your turn, Mama.
Yeah, so Enoge is saying, let's not forget what this guy has is a spinal cord injury. It's not what we're gonna treat today and it's done. It's a consistent thing. So we take him to hospital. Are we gonna keep paying while he's there, or while they're doing the treatment? It's a spinal cord injury, they said. So it's an ongoing thing, lifetime. So that's it. So you don't get what, if we want to commit, let's know what we are committing ourselves into. It's a spinal cord injury, permanent lifetime injury. Yes.
The one who they for you.
Yeah.
The permanent life injury.
Exactly, but she said we should take him to hospital and this. Are we ready to carry?
No, he said we should involve the mother, involve the brother.
Yeah.
That is what she's saying. Not the money going to this man's account. At least let everybody be aware that they are giving him the money. That is what the guy. That is what the lady is saying.
Okay, fine. Yeah, if you want to do it direct with him, fine, it's okay.
Next.
Lady B, now you dey talk. Oh.
I've already spoken, sis.
Okay, Mrs. Aslem.
Drop Lady B now.
Mrs. Aslem. Body Bayana. Epa, good evening, sir. Good evening, everybody.
Drop Mrs. Aslem.
Me, I dey here for GCO. For me, Epa, no vessel. I know say you not let here or talk. No matter wetin happen, no matter how much this man pay, this man supposed to appreciate people when he support them. Even though say he pay 100,000 for transport, that appreciation alone go make people help am.
Just now say, may everybody come talk their mind.
If you look comment section now, nobody want help because they feel say the man they ungrateful to people when help am already because of that 40,000 naira.
You know what you talk just now when they talk say to call help this guy now you can't care.
Yes.
You know fair what
yes.
You know, yeah.
This man need to apologize to that Ehimwenma. You need to apologize to her. You need to go appreciate those people when Ehimwenma help her. Like those people when help her already. Maybe I go appreciate them first. Because that 40K not be anything to the money where they take help am. That 40K not be anything where they take help am. You need to appreciate those people first before you go come here, before you come they help am. Now that might be my contribution.
Epa, give wetin I want talk. This woman so real papa pikin don take carry and come out once every time. You understand? He go this woman house. He video am post the.
Wait. The way this woman the way this EA they beg, I think they affect me because I love my mother.
And tell him to take the video of the mother. No, tell him to take the video of the mother. We are talking to him, not the mother. No. That's emotional. That's emotional stuff. Let's talk to him, not the mother, please.
Real papa pikin dey here.
Because I watch real papa pikin once every time when he do video with this woman. But even go their house.
Real papa pikin dey here.
Abel, na good evening. More than over, so if we go donate anything for these people, we no need to give out to these bros. Because Ehimwenma post this bros. When Ehimwenma post her, I still try do what I feel do. Real papa pikin be like say with her mother. They go this
Abel mute.
I'm not okay, let me talk first, Abel, no verse.
Madam Mujani, Madam wait. GCU la on mute, not they hear you. Real papa pikin don fit carry you come outside.
On sait que Niger Menji. Yes. On sait que Niger Menji.
How much it help you?
On est Niger Menji church of Payanjo me mariva whether
the day we not remember anytime much they give up.
Exactly.
For me not there. Now the same church that they go. But I hear what they give her money, whether 200,000 or be 200 or 300 that time. I not come no. But me not there. Now then do one. Make a
You seem not to have exact amount of all the help you have gotten. That's a very big red flag. Anything
not be me
right amount. It's a very big red flag.
Not be me not there. Not be me carry and go. Now the same church in with my mother, real papa pikin. Amanda with my mother. Now the same church that they go. Now the same church that they go. Not be me. I not did there. I not did that one.
Ask you this one. Ask you that one. No. Come on, it's a big red flag, man. Okay.
Whether your brother really need help. If now your brother might still say they carry come out, he need help. If I know just I tell you so, I for no climb up. He brother that brother need help seriously. He dey bad, he dey very, very bad. And men will not put me. I go donate to one and not put shishi for this in brother hand.
I'm not going to give me money.
Because the way
Me agree with you. I agree.
So he want
I
to
agree
do
with you.
brother own.
Now wait till I be one even talk. I agree with you.
The money when they donate for her to use and to open business for your brother. They use for yourself. They work out for platform to platform.
When you get one now.
Now so you get work out for platform to platform, or you go use the money they donate for her to open small business
to receive help.
My brother, I know it they feel. My brother, I know the pain they feel.
Amo, you said they need help.
Not be he. He no need help. Make go for what he go do with his life. He want use an open business. His brother need help. Oh, the guy condition they really really bad. When they bring her out.
I agree with you. Now what's make me come up? I agree with you. I agree with you.
If he dey possible, make they pull light. The almost make they put her. You go see, brother need help, eh? He need help badly.
The brother they talk.
You know they talk.
He say not deaf now.
Okay. Apart from saying na OD, what is it they do? I beg. I want to like.
Now gun they take shoot time for chef then for combat.
Go.
But they don't get domo. Domo sir. I want my phone. But happy Sunday.
La papa sister wala wo. Uyo savana no, uyo savana na. My oga make you remove her for your mama this make you carry I beg. Oh this I beg, I no fit talk.
So you remove the camera from your mama face.
Not be. Now you get the suffer follow that brother. Oh. Carry your bad luck and
we fit still talk. We fit still talk. I beg.
Another person if you see the guy alone say.
We fit still talk.
Now this is brother go still dey help them go the bad things.
We fit still talk. I beg. Epa, good evening. No, Epa. Waiting.
Epa. May you share number for them, huh?
Okay.
They talk.
Sorry, Joy talk. The rest will not talk. Joy talk. Epa, waiting. I see for this thing. Be say, to be honest, this man made me I dey see like this. So, at the end of the day, now business now they use this thing they run. Forget he papa, he brother and he mother. They really need this help. Oga, let me talk now, I beg. Let me talk. Because why I talk saying a business, when he say he give that other woman lady 40,000, they contribute so money to Ram. Say he not come after how many days, say he not come and when he papa can't die. Now I can't come.
When I
let me talk I beg you let me talk now.
Many things where that woman they talk.
Epa, you let me talk, I beg. So when he can't talk, say make he bring 150,000 based on the money too big. Now he can't withdraw. He can't say he go saga the woman. He go share the thing for media. The thing is, yes, these people need money. But if we continue donating for these people, now let wait till they'll use. We don't even know what they'll use and do. All we can do is if we feel open small thing for this. I don't know. The woman is even too old.
You are not that so. You know, say if you want to donation. Now I can't the money for the go.
I know, I understand. They talk about not be him we go transfer the money to. If that money finish, if that money finish, this man go still go another platform.
Wait now, if we go help now, where we want transfer the money go? We'll talk if we go help, let's know what to do. Because that woman just now they make me cry. Because me too long.
Maybe I don't know if the mama still gets his own personal account or this is brother. That's the thing. Because this mommy I not trust her. See the way I even they put face for phone for a mama face so that emotional thing I just they do. I beg.
Hello, mommy. Hello, mommy. Oh, now unmute ye. I know the year ye. I know the year with you.
I need to unmute myself.
Okay. GCO. Yeah, we need your towel. Well, muting ya. To work your guava, I have to better. I'm not even near guitar.
Okay, on mute now. Me on mute. On mute.
We might be having a young mute here, man.
this guy know wetin they do. Shebi answer me just now. They counter wetin I dey talk. But reach time to ask mama question now. He not gonna know how to unmute himself.
No be you get the phone.
When you on muting ya, Maria Minigeta.
This year, may your music.
Oh yeah, if you had that nonsense for here again, I will block you.
If Black first made the 10 years, say see what you want to talk, see what you want to talk.
Yeah, again. If you had that nonsense again, I will block you sharply. Write that rubbish again. But one will block you. GCO, I beg on mute. On mute. Here when you talk. Who remove her?
Oh, na mistake. I say enough. I be one drop and send an invite to come up again. I say not I be on mute. That would all they say on mute for more than 2 minutes. But they come and send an invite again. I be want to make it this simple for her.
Okay.
No verse. This you I beg send request again. I beg. I been to say you know I be on mute.
I don't know, get almost kada.
The Koyo my brother.
Domo. When the shop be a debate way.
The genre be birthday. We want to donate for somebody. We dey contemplate.
I know. I just my own to myself to.
One sir. Domo.
We're going to introduce tomorrow. Me worry or sitting on here.
Domo.
You Koyo. When video call na be ye na gu ye gwa.
Okay. The more die because I'm not sure.
Oh, where you man, where you ya? Man, where the video call? Just you. I know it they tell the deal.
Epa, this help, not just pure. This man, to be honest, this man is not straightforward. Now, waiting, in as much as say we get empathy to help this mama and his son, but this GCO way, to be honest, he not pure. If we want to ask that old woman something, he go come they do like say he not sabi use camera again. Waiting, he turn on video just now. He not confident turn on video. Okay, when I they talk, he they answer me. He not confident call on mute himself when we want to ask mama question. Epa, this man, this help get it be. I don't feel like you. In as much as this mama and his brother need this help, but the person make the day he care. This man will not stay straightforward. It's quite unfortunate. Say now let him feel help them. I wish he get other sibling now. We for say more use the other sibling, but this GCO, this man, he will not be straightforward. Now so I go talk it. It's not straightforward at all.
When I bring her up.
Let me drop her on. Let me drop her on.
If I will drop her, I don't know you drop her. But check her if you request.
Never send request.
See, I want to talk to the woman. Conscience not going to let me if I not hear from that woman. That woman need help. Okay, just